Hi, I'm Michael with Bowflex, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Bowflex Select Tech adjustable dumbbells. They replace an entire rack of 30 free weights in just one pair. These are our 552 and 1090 dumbbells that deliver up to 52.5 and 90 pounds, adjusting in 2.5 and 5 pounds respectively. Strength training has never been easier. Simply dial up your desired weight, lift them out, and you're ready to go. You can now perform an unlimited variety of exercises and movements. Changing weight is simple and quick. You can pair your Select Tech dumbbells with a custom stand for compact storage during your workouts. We also recommend our adjustable bench to get the most out of your Select Tech workouts. Also, the all-new Bowflex Select Tech app is now available for free in iTunes. Follow a Bowflex trainer through custom-designed workouts just for your Select Techs. Share your results with friends and stay motivated. Dial up real results today with the Bowflex Select Tech dumbbells.
Deluxe rubber dumbbells from Stride are the toughest dumbbells for your toughest workout.